Function decorators in Python. Function decorator is an important feature of Python. Python decorators allow us to change the behavior of a function without modifying the function itself. In this lesson, we will learn about function decorators through a few simple examples. To understand how decorators work, you need to understand few important concepts related to functions. These are the prerequisites for understanding decorators. So, let's clear these concepts first. Let's start with assignment of a function to a variable. Here, we define a function named Hello World. It prints a message, Hello World. We can assign this function Hello World to a variable hello, writing an assignment statement hello equals Hello World. No parenthesis after the function name here. Now we can call the Hello World function using the variable hello as shown here. Parentheses are required after the variable name. Let's test the code now. And it works fine. That is, we are able to call the function Hello World using the variable hello. This is the concept of function assignment. Now let's talk about nested function. A nested function is nothing but defining a function within another function. Here is an example. Here, Hello World is an outer function. Now we are defining another function Hello Friend inside Hello World. That is, we are defining a function inside another function. This is known as nesting of functions. Now, let's call the inner function Hello Friend from inside the Hello World function. Now call the Hello World function after it is fully defined. When we call the Hello World function, the function Hello Friend will be defined and be executed. Let's run the code and check the result. We get this output as the Hello World function call has defined Hello Friend function and it was called from inside the Hello World function. Now let's talk about another import concept, passing a function as an argument to another function. Let's define a function say by that simply prints by. Defining another function, Hello World here. The Hello World function accepts a function as an argument. Now call the function func that was passed to the function Hello World as an argument. We have defined two functions, say by and Hello World. Now we will call the Hello World function and we will pass the say by function to this function. Let's check the working of the code graphically. Here say_by is an argument to the Hello_World function. As we see here, say_by is a function. That is, Hello_World function accepts this function as an argument. Now we can call the say_by function using this function call. Let's run the code and check the result. This is the technique of passing a function as an argument to another function. We have already seen how to pass a function to another function as an argument. Now we will learn how to return a function from another function. Once again, we are defining two functions here, one outer function and one inner function. Here do_something is the outer function and play_soccer is the inner function. The do_something function defines the function play_soccer and returns this function when the outer function is called. Let's call the function do_something and assign the returned function to the variable do_it. As do_it refers to a function, we may call this function like this. Let's run the code and check the result. The output comes from the function play_soccer, as do it refers to this function. This is the technique of returning function from another function. When we call the do_something function, it actually returns the play_soccer function. This returned function is assigned to the do_it variable. So we can call the function play_soccer using do_it variable. We have completed the prerequisites for understanding decorators. Now we are ready to learn function decorators in Python. We will understand the working of a decorator using a simple example. So let's start coding. Here, do_something is our undecorated function. We want to decorate this function with additional codes. So, let's write our decorator function. We will pass the do_something function to our decorator function my_decorator. Let's define a function named wrapper inside my_decorator function. The wrapper function wraps the past function referred to by func with additional codes. Our code for the wrapper function is complete. Let's return this function. Now let's consider this assignment statement. Here, actually, we are passing the undecorated do_something function to the my_decorator function. My_decorator function returns the wrapper function and it is assigned to the variable do_something. Now do_something variable refers to the wrapper function, which is actually a decorated do_something function. Now we can call the decorated do_something function by this statement. Let's run the code now and check the result. Observe that, when we call the do_something function, actually the code of the wrapper function is being executed. And obviously, the wrapper function includes the codes of the do_something function, as the function was passed to my_decorator function, and this function was called by the wrapper function. So, this is our complete code. Definitely we can write decorator functions in this fashion. Now we will modify the code with some syntactic sugar. Let's start modifying the codes. This is our decorator function. And this is our undecorated function. Here, at my_decorator indicates that we wish to pass the following function to the my_decorator function and want to get back a decorated function accessible by the same function name. Now let's run the revised code again and check the result. And, yes, the result is the same. So, this is the basic concept of decorator function in Python. Hope that it is now clear to you. If you find any difficulty, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and share your valuable feedback through like, unlike, and comments. Have a nice day. Happy coding!